Hey guys, welcome back. We are at Dollar Tree in another different town of where I live. Look at these candles, guys. They are cute. I think I'm gonna grab um these two pink ones, and I also grabbed these ones right here. Look at these candle holders, gorgeous. So I grabbed those. Oh, look up here, guys. Ah, okay, let's. I like to come to this Dollar Tree, but it's so far from me, and they have so many nice things. All right, let's look. You could even do something with this for the April shower. Bring me flowers. Here we are in the section with the plates and cups. These are cute, light pink, very, very light pink, as you guys can see. Then they have, let's see what place they have. They have the same thing that they have. Well, my Dollar Tree don't have any place left. And what they have is like, no. SIM chargers, gold, silver. What are these? Oh, clear. But, oh, look at this. I like this. Oh, they only have one. Gold. Yeah, no. Guys, if you have not ever used this, you need to. This, it smells so good. I've been looking for this for years. The last time I bought it, it was about 5 years ago. And look, I found it. Yes. Hold on, guys. I got it. Hold on. Wait a minute. The only thing that I like from here that I actually purchased that I use is Dawn. The other ones, I don't think they do the job right for me. I mean, when you purchase them for you, you choose what you like, you know. And then these ones are, oh, these are for carrots. But yeah, I'm taking one of these and one of these. That's what I have on my car so far. I'm also going to take one of these. And excuse me. Let's see what they have here for the kitchen. Placemats. I purchased one of these. I think I want to do one of these for the kitchen. I don't know. What else should I get, guys? I use this as to put the hot pot when I cook. Yep. I gotta grab a bowl to package my husband's food for work. So I think I'm gonna grab this one. There's two here. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. It'll be into the next one. Bye.